more like an octopus and I've got 8 legs. Hi guys, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Connie Dube.
And today we're here with 4 Nines. We'll be rating outfits from 1 to 10.
So today we're trying clothes from
In the Style. And let's just say me and Connie's just opened the bag and we're like, oh, we don't like it. It's like a structured blazer. Satin, is that what it's called?
Yeah, it's satin. It also comes with the skirt.
Ugh. What the hell? It could have been great.
It could have been great, but they messed up.
Guys, these skirts just don't fit me.
The skirt doesn't fit. Natasha's wearing the tulle at the front, and it's actually supposed to be at the back like this.
How stupid does that look like? It looks dumb because she's got this whole blazer that covers it, and then she's got this little bum fluff. Bum fluff.
It's like a cushion.
No, the cushion for the cushion. Literally, like.
And also the blazer's really long on me.
Yeah, my blazer's really long as well. I feel like this button's too high.
Yeah.
My button needs to be here.
Lower, and then you can go.
Yeah,
cleavage.
yeah, cleavage.
Just wanna like.
Just what we like. Connie also, take the skirt off. Get naked for them. So she has it on with just the blazer on its own. And it was really, really cute.
See?
Look.
As a blazer dress on me, it's really nice.
Let me take this dumb skirt off to you. Look, even like,
This is nice.
I definitely like it on its own as a blazer. Would definitely not be wearing it with that skirt, 100%.
I sat down, but you tell me.
Like,
No, it's not gonna look good on any of us.
you never know though. I don't even feel like to boogie. No, seriously. This is what they expect us plus size girls to be wearing. This is this.
I don't even know what to say. I feel like not even my mother would wear this.
It's hideous. It's awful. Come on, I'm gonna teach you a new dance. Leg on the bird. Leg on the bird. Leg on the bird. Leg on the bird.
The sleeves are sleeving. No, this is yes.
Oh my gosh, we got a Halloween outfit. Ah! It's a no for me.
The fact that we're turning the outfit into a Halloween costume says a lot.
It's a 0.
Yeah, it's not even gonna get a 1.
It's not even a 1. Like, at my young tender age, this is not the sort of dresses. Could you imagine me going on the date? Could you imagine me turning up to my date?
No.
In this dress.
I wouldn't let you go dress up.
Guys, we're not. This. It's just not giving. I feel like it's gonna leave me shapeless. I love this.
Yeah, and I was saying to you that this might actually be the dark horse, but underestimated it so much.
Really underestimated. It's really cute.
It's proper cute, and I feel like it's you could dress it up, but I feel like it's more casual.
It's definitely a casual. I feel relaxed. I feel comfortable.
Yeah.
You know, I don't have nothing in my crevices, as Gabby would say. Yeah, no, I think it's nice.
Yeah.
Where would you wear this to though?
Maybe to like work, like we were saying.
On a hot day.
And you know, like those days when if you're going to church and you don't want to do too much, there's a good amount of, you know, like, oh, I'm at church, do you see me?
What are you giving it out of 10?
I'm giving it a 9.
Oh wow.
I'm giving it a 9.
I'll give it about an 8.5.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? I'll give it a 9 too because the only thing I don't like is the swim.
Yeah.
Apart from that, everything else
It
I
fits
love.
perfectly. And I think the reason I'm giving it a 9 as well is because I really underestimated it. This is the contender for us.
This is really long.
Oh, the boob thingy.
Oh, it must be cross.
Yeah,
It must be cross.
There's no way.
I was thinking, I know my teeth are long, but baby. I'm more like an octopus and I've got 8 legs. It looks good.
I like the top, but I don't like the skirt.
I just feel like the skirt just needs to be...
If it was tight like this.
I hate this. It doesn't... This...
I feel like if it had stretch, it would have been fine, but it doesn't have any stretch at all. No.
And then...
This.
Like, if I was to do it,
the crossway that it's supposed
The
to
cross
be.
path. It's not crossing.
The skirt, I feel like the construction is poor.
Yeah, because why do you have this big gate here? Sorry.
Gather around! Literally. Yeah, no, I'm not feeling the skirt.
So this is a fat big 0 from me because it obviously doesn't fit.
I'll give the top a 9 because I feel like I can wear it with leather pants, jeans.
Nice blue jeans,
Yeah.
white heels. Yeah.
But as a collective, I'll give it a 7.
Out of the 4 outfits,
Which one's my favourite? The black one, you know.
the most simplest one
Sometimes simple
is effective.
Yeah, you don't need to do too much.
That is my favourite fit, is the black jumpsuit.
Yeah,
Then it would be this.
go with this one without the skirt.
Without the skirt.
Yeah.
Out of 10, what would we give the whole haul?
Considering the fact that obviously like some of the pieces were not plus size friendly at all, or like the skirts were a bit loose. Altogether, I'll give it a 4.5.
I was about to say, get a solid 5 from me, 4.5
Oh.
from me. Yeah.
Okay, so we agree on something.
Yeah. Guys, thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And in the comments, let us know what brands you want to see us working with for 9 next time.